watching this video, you'll no longer need to go to Fiverr or Upwork to pay a designer to create a YouTube thumbnail. I'm about to share with you a method that allows me to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using only AI, and it takes just a few minutes. If you don't believe me, here are some thumbnails I made for my channel with AI that have a high click-through rate on YouTube. A thumbnail with a CTR above 10% or close to it is considered good. I can't believe I'm going to share this secret method for creating thumbnails for free, but I don't gatekeep in this channel. Creating your own thumbnails with AI not only saves you money, but also gives you complete creative control. You'll be able to design thumbnails that perfectly match your video's content and style, which can lead to higher engagement and more views. Before we get started, we need a few things to create our sexy thumbnail. Number 1, we need a thumbnail idea that will turn into a prompt. You need to have an idea of what the thumbnail will look like. If you do have an idea, just write a very descriptive prompt to use and generate the image. In case you don't have an idea, find similar videos on YouTube in your niche and get inspiration. The second option you have is to find a thumbnail that you like. It doesn't have to be exactly what you want, but you can copy the style of the thumbnail. Then go to google.com and type YouTube thumbnail downloader and hit enter, and then go to this website. Copy the link of the video and paste it here. Then hit enter, click on download, and right-click and click on save image as. Now, go to ChatGPT and add the thumbnail you downloaded. Copy and paste the following prompt and hit enter. I'll leave this in the video description along with some other prompts I use to generate thumbnails for my YouTube channel. All for free. You'll have to adjust the prompt before you use it depending on the video you're going to make. Let ChatGPT write prompts that you can use to generate the YouTube thumbnails for you. Once ChatGPT has generated all the prompts, copy one of them, go to Microsoft Co-pilot, paste the prompt, and click on create. Wait a few seconds, and it will give you 4 images. Feel free to go through each one of them and download the one you like the most. Let's dive deeper into the process. When coming up with a thumbnail idea, think about what grabs your attention when browsing YouTube. Bold colors, clear text, and intriguing images work wonders. Also, remember to align your thumbnail with your brand style to maintain consistency across your channel. Now let's get into step number 2. Now that you have the image, you may be thinking, well, this is a square-shaped image, but YouTube thumbnails are rectangular. Because this is a 100% free method, we can only generate images in a square shape. But don't worry. I found a way to bypass this limitation and resize the images perfectly using AI, an AI tool that will allow us to expand the image on the sides and add more effects. It's called Pixlar. You can use it for free, but it has some limitations. However, the monthly plan is super cheap, just $2 a month. So the next step is to go to this URL, pixlar.com/express. Once you click the link, you'll see something that looks like this. Click on Open Image. Select the thumbnail image you generated with Microsoft Co-pilot, and then unlock the layer. Click on the crop icon on the left side and select canvas size. Enter the following dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail, which are 1280 and 720, and click Apply, and click Apply again. Now position and size the image properly. To expand the image on the sides, click on AI Tools on the left side. First, make a duplicate of the layer and hide it, because this feature can lower the quality of the overall image. Then select the second layer and click on Generative Expand and add the following dimensions, and click Expand. Wait a few seconds, and it will show you 2 options. If you don't like either of them, click on Repeat, and it will generate 2 more images. You can keep repeating the process until you're happy with the results. Position the image properly, then unhide the layer you duplicated. Position it in the center, use the cutout tool, increase the softness, and go around the edges of the duplicated image to remove the edges so it fits with the background image. Now, about 85% of the thumbnail is done. You can still adjust the colors by selecting the layer, navigating to adjust, and tweaking the colors to your liking. Once you're happy with the look, click on Save and choose Save as PNG to ensure it's saved at the highest quality. There are still a few things you can do to enhance your thumbnail even further. For example, you can go to freepik.com and download some particles to add as an overlay, or download a PSD text template edited in Photo P and place it on top. One common mistake is overcrowding your thumbnail with too much text or too many images. Keep it simple and focused. If you run into issues with the AI tools, like the image not turning out as expected, try tweaking your prompts or using different keywords. Patience and experimentation are key. That's how I create thumbnails for free for my channel, and that's how you can do the same for your channel too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI content. Also, if you want to master video editing with CapCut, make money with this skill, and get a pro CapCut account, Join the waitlist for Edit Starter Academy. It's a complete course that will show you how to edit and make money with video editing. You'll find the link in the description.